Get a thumbs up to go live, for the go live. Yep. Hey Barbara, can I get a thumbs up for the go live? Yes. All right, Becky, what about you? Can I get a thumbs up? Yes. And I just go around. I don't care if it's 30 people, I'm going to go around because what I want to do is I want to be able to document everybody that told me yes. Because what could happen, family, and this is just a bonus, I wasn't even thinking I was going to speak to this, is that what could happen is that someone can say, well, I wasn't part of the go live, or I don't remember that, or you remember that raid log that I told you about? This is where you want to put that decision in that raid log that, hey, on our go no go call, we identified that we all made a decision that we're going to go live and be able to. And so you want to document that with the names of the people that were actually on the call. And if there were some resources that should have been on the call that weren't on the call, again, this is an extra step, but I would try my best to get in contact with them before you actually make the implementation of trying to set up another meeting with them before the time is for the change. Because if you don't, again, you could get pushback. That could happen once something does go wrong. Then they'll say, "Well, why you didn't talk with me?" And you was like, "Well, I scheduled a meeting, you didn't show up." So be careful of that, family. My last and final thing is once everything has happened, the implementation has happened, I always want to make sure that I send out an email correspondent to let the project team as well as the sponsor, I should just say basically the project team, know that either the implementation